Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This is a Valentine's set that I did. This lovely pink set. Someone came to me and wanted this colour on their nails and I absolutely loved it and thought that would be brilliant for a Valentine's Day set. So I am using it. It's from Modelones and it's from, these are all the little ones that I bought in a set. I have swatched them all, but this one's called Poetry and it is a beautiful sort of dusky pink. I absolutely love it. So I did go in with 2 coats of this one, but I'll just show you me putting 1 coat on, and then that gets cured in the lamp for 30 seconds for each coat. And I just wanted to say a big thank you to everybody, to all my subscribers again, because you all know now that I've reached my 1k subs. And I've done the giveaway draw has gone out and everything, so that's all done. So thank you so much for helping me to reach that target. Obviously there are more targets to come, so yeah, if you like my videos, just keep watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really does help my channel, and make sure you give the video a like if you do like it as well, because that helps as well. If you like the nails that I've got on at the moment, they are some opal nails with a bit more colour to them, and the video for that I did film it, so that will be up in an upcoming video. So I'm just going over and wiping the tacky layer off these nails. Because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with some of this Modelones base coat. And I am going to leave that wet because this index finger, I'm going to put some glitter on this one. It's from Smiley's Glitter Store and it is called Dusky Pink, and it goes perfectly with this gel polish colour. So yeah, I am just, and I don't know if you can see there, I haven't even touched that glitter and it is flying onto that silicone. I really should have used some liquid latex because this was so hard to get off this silicone hand. It was just like sticking like static really badly. It is beautiful, but yeah, it definitely got everywhere this, so it took me a while. So I've done a little bit of a clean up. You can't even tell because it's still all over, but I'm going in with a base coat now. I did cure that in the lamp before I put this second coat of base coat on. So this is just going to, because a base coat is quite thin, it is going to fall through the gaps in the glitter, and it's going to help fill it in and keep it all in place. So after that's cured, I'm going in now and I am just going in with the top coat over all of the rest of the nails just to seal that colour in, because I am going to do some stuff on top. And I just didn't want the colour to be messed up if I have to wipe off what I'm doing. So after that's all on, that will get cured in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to be having a bit of a play with some new products that I got. You might have seen my AliExpress haul. And in that haul, I did get some caviar beads. So I am having a little play around with those today. I'm going to try and make a heart-shaped Valentine's pendant. And you could see at the beginning of the video that I've put the photos on, so you know what it looks like. So for the heart itself, I had actually ordered some silver heart shapes from AliExpress with the rest of the items, but they didn't arrive on time. So I'm using these clear caviar beads instead to make the heart shape. And I've never played with these before. I watched a video from Faye, Not a Beauty Queen 06, and she did sort of a gem nail, and she used some caviar beads in between the gems, and it looked gorgeous. So I thought I really want to try that. But I'm using these clear ones. Really, in hindsight, I should have used the silver ones because they would have stood out more. But I just wanted to have a go with these clear ones and see what would happen. So I've got some base coat on my brush and I'm picking them up with this fine liner brush with the base coat, and then I'm just fiddling around with them to try and get them into a heart shape. So as you can see, it took a lot of messing, a lot of faffing about, and if you've got the patience for it, this is something really good to do. But if you've not, it's not a good idea because it's really annoying, because they do just slip around everywhere. And even when you've got them in place, if you leave them for too long, they do start sliding about on their own. So yeah, this was a bit of a pain, but yeah, I got there in the end and I was happy with the way it looked. So when I am happy with the heart shape, I do make sure that I flash cure it so that they don't go anywhere. So now I'm going in with this solid painting gel from Modelones. This is the silver one, and I'm just painting the bottom of that heart just so that when I put some glitter in some top coat that's going to go over the top of this, you're going to be able to actually see it. Because I thought if it was just that pink underneath, you wouldn't be able to see it properly. So that is just in some top coat, the same glitter that I used on the index finger. And then when I'm happy with that, I'll cure it in place, and then I go over the top with some more top coat. So now I'm getting the base coat again, and I'm using my silver caviar beads because I'm going to do the chain for the pendant now. And this was even harder to do than the heart shape because this chain would not go where I wanted it to go. And even if it did, it kept slipping and sliding everywhere. And yeah, this took me absolutely ages. So as you can tell, I've sped this up because it took quite a while. So when I'm finally happy with it, I do cure it in the lamp to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. And then I'm just adding a few more to make the chain go all the way up to the top of the nail. So again, when I'm happy with that, I will cure it in the lamp to make sure that it all stays. And then I'm getting this ice bar from Modelones. This is from the same set, and it's like a holographic top coat. It's got little pieces of holographic glitter in it. So I'm just putting some of that on top of that heart just to make it shine a little bit more. And then I'm going over the pinky finger and the middle finger with this ice bar as well. So apart from the heart pendant, it's not a complicated set. It's just really simple, and I just really love the way all the colours go together. So after that ice bar is on, I'm going on with a no wipe top coat because the ice bar, it does have a sticky layer. So I'm just sealing that all in with the top coat. And what I'm doing on the ring finger with the pendant, I'm going around the pendant, but then I do go over the top of it as well. And then I go in with a fine liner brush and I just clean it all up so that there isn't loads and loads of top coat on it. Because I know that if you go over gems with top coat, it dulls the shine, but I wasn't sure if it's the same with these caviar beads, so I wasn't sure about that, but I was happy with how it turned out. And I absolutely love the glitter on that index finger. It's absolutely gorgeous. So after I've cleaned up the pendant nail, I'm just going to cure all those for 60 seconds so that everything is sealed in nicely, and then I'll show you what they look like at the end. So here they all are. I was so happy with the way these turned out. I really wanted something for Valentine's Day that wasn't, that didn't have hearts stuck all over it and wasn't over the top. I wanted something more sort of a classy design. Because I am going to do more like a fun Valentine's one with the glitter girls. So this was just sort of my different one. So I love the way it turned out. I'm really, really happy. So yeah, tell me what you think. Do you like this set? Would you wear it? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers as usual, and I will see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.